What's up? I'm sorry that this vlog is starting off late because I did work literally all day. I really hope I got that on camera. Why are we kicking this microwave? Did you solely just get this microwave so you could grind it?
Microwave, I'm gonna bring it outside and do tricks on it. Yeah.
Why not? Grind it.
Okay, I'll go.
Ooh! Yeah, it's just oh, we doing scooter tricks.
Wait for this 360.
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Oh my gosh. You're a legend.
Oh, actually, that was terrible.
Yeah, so was my filming skills.
And an extra chromosome.
Great, dude.
What?
You good there, bro? I mean, you good?
No.
What are we doing now?
Dude, I'm walking my pet dog.
Okay.
It's my pet.
Would you stop touching my pet dog?
Because it's lit, fam.
Ew.
My microwave's super hot.
Did no one hear that?
I did.
Well, dang. Oh, okay.
Wait, what the heck?
What you got there, G? Okay.
Are you okay?
Are you in need of medical assistance, sir?
I'm gonna steal.
Have you?
Sleep. I take a nap.
You go sleep now?
I take a nap.
Okay. I go sleep now.
I go sleep.
I go night. Whoa! Oh!
Wait, no. Do a trick. Get him doing a trick, and come to my face. Just do it. Just do it.
Oh my god!
Do a trick,
dude. It came so close to my face.
Okay, do it. Do a trick.
That scared me so much.
Actually, stop. That was legitness.
Oh, shut up.
Oh! Yo, guys, what up?
That's my boy!
Hey! I'm your boy!
That's my boy.
I'm a dead man.
Swipe! Look, it's a mini Mario, and it's a bigger Mario!
You try to do a backflip, man? You're dead now, man.
It's another guy's gonna hit us in the face, huh?
What did you say?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, this hurts.
I can't.
Really bad. Get a little bit of...
Yeah!
I see what's happening here. Tail whip!
What are you doing?
Close this off to me.
What are you doing? You're gonna die.
I don't fit.
We're just ganging up on Spider-Man here.
Good night.
With this microwave. You're going to bed apparently. That's it for this one, guys. You go sleep now?
Help me.
Okay, I'll help you.
Slow it, slowly.
Okay, I'll close it slowly. I got you.
Actually, no, that hurts a little bit.
You good there?
Ow.
You good there?
Ow! Actually, can you get off me? Ah, is he under there? Oh, no. Oh, why you ruin my wet for them?
Oh, you dead fool, you go.
Okay?
Yeah, you went to sleep, man. Yeah.
I need 911. Goodbye.
No. Alright, I'm sorry this video had no point, but, you know, it's what it is. Yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Later in BAHBAM. License plate! Is today meme day?
Okay.